Well, the budget surplus of about $4 billion for the current financial year is a forecast, but there's only 7 weeks of it left, so if it turns out to be wrong, Treasury should lose its forecasting licence. And maybe they should anyway, because here are the 6 forecasts they've made for the 2022-23 budget balance. Starting with a surplus of $9.2 billion that was forecast in April 2019. Then came the pandemic, of course, and they thought there'd be a deficit this year of $88 billion, which was then amended to $99 billion in the 2021 budget, and then down to $78 billion in March 22. Last October, they forecast a deficit of $37 billion for this financial year, which was out by $41 billion, even though the year had already started, so that was a real clanger. The worst actual deficit was $134.2 billion in 2020-21, so that's a real $138 billion turnaround in 2 years, half by the Coalition, half by Labor. Sightings of budget surpluses are as rare as orange-bellied parrots, as you can see from this graph, so take a screenshot of tonight's for posterity. Retail trade data for March came out today, and the story is that we're spending more but getting less, and that especially applies to stuff other than food. The Aussie dollar had a little dip when that data came out, but recovered to finish the day flat, and the share market slipped a few points. Commonwealth Bank closed a bit higher after revealing a quarterly profit of $2.6 billion in line with expectations. The US market was flat last night, while Asian markets were mixed today, and the iron ore prices bounced 7.5%, which is more happy news for the budget. And that's finance.